Welcome to our EasyBilling tutorial on price calculation in documents. We'll explore how you can customize the price calculations to suit your business needs. In EasyBilling documents, the default calculation for the total amount of a line item is based on the unit price in quantity. In this example, the unit price is $25 and the quantity is 10, resulting in a total amount of $250, following the standard calculation method. But here's where EasyBilling allows you to tweak the calculation method by integrating measurements like length, height, width, area, volume, or weight. To adjust the price calculation method, simply navigate to the Customize Document menu and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, switch to the Price Calculation tab. You can stick with the default calculation by item unit or opt for a measurement-based approach. When choosing measurement-based calculation, the total amount is calculated as the measurement multiplied by the unit price and quantity. You can select from various measurements like length, width, height, area, volume, and weight. Let's go with area, length multiplied width, for this example. Once you've made your choice, click the Save button to confirm. Make sure to enable the corresponding measurement columns in your document. You can set it in columns under Customize Document menu. In our invoice, we've enabled the length and width columns. For example, in this invoice, the fabric's measuring 2 meters multiplied by 1.5 meters, a unit price of $25, and a quantity of 10, the total amount would be 2 by 1.5 by 25 by 10, totaling $750. The total amount is determined by the area, length multiplied width, and multiplied by the unit price and quantity. By offering this level of customization, EasyBilling enables you to adapt the price calculation logic according to your business needs. This feature is particularly useful when dealing with items that require measurements to determine their total price accurately. Thanks for watching.